Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. I am out here today on a beautiful spring morning, and we're gonna try to get this burn pit burnt off today. We got a bunch of wood in there from the cabin and just a bunch of broken wood and stuff and limbs. We're gonna try to get it started, and then all that stuff that we pulled off the pond earlier this year, we're going to try to get drugged down here and get that cleaned up. So that's what I'm getting started on. We're going to start getting this burnt and see what else we can get into today. So hang tight, let me get set up. It rained Friday, I guess. It emptied about 1 3/8 inches out of the rain gauge Saturday morning. So this might be harder to start than what I thought. This is that pit that I dug last fall. Filled it full of debris. Oh, that tree that fell up there, that's all in here. So if it gets going down at the bottom, that thing will burn. And that's what we want. I may have to go get the blower. Alright, we got it going now. Just need a little bit of time. So I'll let this catch before we load anything else on it. Well, I'll let it burn down before we load anything else on it. But that should get good and hot. And then we'll get rid of this stuff up the hill here. I gotta figure out a good way to get this picked up without popping tires on my tractor. I may need to go get that trailer, unload the trailer. What a mess. What a mess. Yeah, I'm thinking the trailer is going to be the best way. Just a mess. Too bad I can't burn it right here. platform that was coming outside the woodshed. I need to get rid of that and burn it. So maybe I'll back up and load that up. Hate to burn that stuff, but I mean, just because that was a good platform, that's part of it there, but I don't have any use for it. I don't think something like that would sell on Marketplace. Alright, we got a fire now. That up there with a tractor. That's a good load. I think what I'll do is I'll clean this area up here and try to get a little bit more down there. Get that loaded, and we'll get this trailer load down. So hang tight, let me get this loaded and we'll come back. Yeah, we got this cleaned up. I've got some stuff over here in the ditch. I think I'm just gonna burn right here. I'll start a small fire here and just kind of burn all this stuff right here. But we got everything moved down there, down the hill. We got a fire going down there. That should burn quite a while. Got two little puppies over there checking the swan out. Anyway, I think this is where we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. And yeah, spring is here, beautiful day. A lot more of this to come, getting the property cleaned up, and everything will start turning green soon. We'll get the garden tilled. But yeah, spring is here. Feels really good today. Y'all take care, have a good evening, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.